Well, let's start it off with the table that they have included population of Acoli, Bachiga, Bagishu, and Lao in 2024 and 2014. Our tribe and the years. In 2024, the Bachiga were 2,300,090. 975, and then in 2024 their population is 2,947,837. Then when you look at the Lao are in 2,131,443, and in 2024 they are in 2,703,277, and then the Bagishu who experience error 1,647,382, and 2024 2,096,449, and then for Acoli in 2014 they were 1,470,884, and in 2024 in 1,941,913. That is according to UBOS. And here is their statement. The statement says, on the recently disseminated National Population and Housing Census 2024, previously reported Kampala, the 14th October 2024, on 12th December 2023, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda launched the Census 2024 roadmap. At the time of the launch, His Excellency announced to the nation that the census will provide answers to the 5 questions, namely how many we are, where we are, how are we living, and what we own, and where we access services from. The Census 2024 roadmap provided for the conduct the National Population and Housing Census in May 2024, but then UBOS insists that to the citizens that these figures are very correct and should be trusted. They say, fellow citizens, we wish to emphasize that figures for the Census 2024 report are correct, and the data integrity of the 2024 Census provisional report is robust and of high quality. These figures can undoubtedly be used for planning and policy decision making. They have also included a statistic about the demography in terms of religion, that is Catholic and Anglican and the rest, where Catholic are leading in terms of population, and then the second one is Anglican Church, and then the third one is Pentecostal or Evangelical Church. Islam comes at number 4, Seventh-day Adventists at number 5, Orthodox follows traditionals, that is the Has. We are also there. We have defeated Jehovah's Witness, other religions, and other no religions. Those are the pagans. They are down. Then unclassified, they're also there. So those are the statistics.